5 trucks and a car have been burnt as a fire tanker exploded on the Otedola Bridge after colliding with another truck. No life was lost as the incident occurred around 2:45 a.m. on Saturday. A statement issued by the Director General, Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, LASEMA, Dr. Femi Oke-Osanyintolu said the agency swiftly and efficiently activated its emergency response plan to the incident of tanker explosion that occurred at the early hours of Saturday, 27 March 2021. He said the agency's responders from the Alausa Center were about concluding the recovery of a truck laden with 40-feet container that fell yesterday night at Otedola Bridge in Berger, when a tanker about 300 meters away from the fallen truck exploded at about 2:45 a.m. on Saturday. Upon immediate activation to the scene, it was discovered that the tanker had collided with the truck while moving inward Berger and exploded immediately. No casualty was recorded. However, the agency's responders, including its fire team and Lagos State Fire Service, jointly put out the fire and salvaged a tanker with registration number KJA2. However, the agency's responders, including its fire team and Lagos State Fire Service, jointly put out the fire and salvaged a tanker with registration number KJA662YA laden with 33 liters of diesel, he said. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.